Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to merge and unmerge cells in Excel. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest update. And by the end of the video, don't forget to hit the like button. So first of all, open Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to merge and unmerge cells. So this is the data set. First of all, you have to select the data set which you want to merge cells. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon. Click on Merge and Center in the alignment group. The selected cells will merge into one large cell and the text will be centered. How to unmerge cells in Excel? Select the merged cell, go to the Home tab in the ribbon, click on Merge and Center again to unmerge the cells. The merged cells will return to its original separate cells. If you have any question about the entire process, please leave a comment below. If this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.